In today's video, I will show you guys best Fortnite user settings. After apply these settings, you will get best gaming experience in Fortnite, you will get maximum FPS and reduce input delay. So guys, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Let's dive into video. To get started, head over to your search bar. Here, type %local app data and press. Okay. Once the folder opens, press the F key on your keyboard to quickly locate the folder, or scroll down to find Fortnite game. Open this folder, then navigate to Saved, followed by Config, and then Windows Client. Inside, you should see a file named gameusersettings. Right-click on this file and select Properties. In the Properties window, ensure that the Read-Only checkbox in the Attributes section is not ticked. Once you've unchecked it, click Apply and then OK. Now you're ready to open the file and start making edits. Scrolling down the settings here, let's start with Motion Blur. Make sure this is set to False. While some options might seem straightforward, others can be confusing. For example, Show Grass should also be set to False. While it might feel counterintuitive to disable grass visibility, trust me on this, it's better for performance. I should mention that some settings have more of a placebo effect than a tangible impact. For instance, Show FPS is set to True on my system, which simply displays your frame rate. Meanwhile, GPU crash debugging should be turned off by setting it to False. Similarly, Stop Rendering in Background should also be false. Now for Latency Tweak 1 and Latency Tweak 2, set the first to false and the second to 0. These tweaks are essentially tied to Nvidia reflex latency or low reflex latency technology. This feature, designed for GeForce RTX series GPUs and G-Sync monitors, aims to deliver the lowest possible latency and improved response times for competitive gaming. It measures and optimizes system latency to enhance frame targeting for quicker reactions. However, since we're running in performance mode, this feature cannot be directly enabled through the game setting. Instead, I recommend activating it through your Nvidia control panel, which is a separate step. Next, anti-aliasing should be disabled entirely, while temporal super resolution quality needs to be set to custom. You'll need to manually enter custom as the value, as it allows you to dictate the related settings directly. This setting ties into DLSS quality, which is generally available for DirectX 11 or possibly DirectX 12 configurations, though I'm not entirely certain. For those unfamiliar, DLSS, Deep Learning Super Sampling, is often associated with ray tracing, another RTX-specific feature. If you have a lower-end GPU, these options won't benefit you. To optimize performance, set DLSS and Nanite to 0 and false, respectively. Disabling these features prevents FPS drops and enhances stability. Regarding energy-saving modes, set these to false. Enabling power efficiency modes will throttle your game's performance, capping it to conserve energy, which is counterproductive for competitive gameplay. One often overlooked setting is Display Gamma. This controls how your screen's brightness corresponds to human visual perception of color. Adjusting this setting balances the brightness curve from black to white. If set incorrectly, either too high or too low, you'll end up with an overly dark or excessively bright game, which can resemble overexposure or underexposure. For competitive gamers, this adjustment is critical. A poorly calibrated gamma can make it harder to spot enemies hiding in dark corners or bushes, potentially costing you the match. Now guys, for better results, download this Nvidia Profile Inspector. You can download it on one click from my official website. The link is in description. After download, run it as admin. Once the program loads up, start by typing Fortnite in the search bar. This will display a list of options specific to the game. I'll guide you through the best settings to optimize FPS and minimize input delay. First, look for the second RP Sync and Refresh section, where you'll find settings like G-Sync application mode. Make sure you've selected Fortnite in the application list. Otherwise, these changes won't apply. For the full screen only option, set it to off. Similarly, turn off the settings below it by selecting Force Off where applicable. Keep these features off, as the default values should also be set to off. Next, find the maximum pre-rendered frames setting and adjust it to 1. For the vertical sync options, set them to use the 3D application setting. while any other related settings should remain off as they are by default. Ensure that the setting mode is on standard. Scroll down to the anti-aliasing section. Start with anti-aliasing gamma correction and set this to off. For anti-aliasing transparency super sampling, adjust it to 0x or mode replay mode as listed. This ensures optimal performance without unnecessary graphical overhead. Next, move to texture filtering. One of the most critical settings here is texture filtering LOD bias. Adjust this to 0.75 to balance quality and performance. Additionally, set texture filtering quality to high performance rather than high quality or performance quality for the best FPS boost. Now scroll to the power management mode setting. This is a vital option. Ensure it is set to prefer maximum performance. This setting allows your system to deliver the most power possible for running Fortnite smoothly. Once all these adjustments are made, click Apply Changes. You can even click the Apply button multiple times just to be sure it registers. If you ever want to revert all changes to their defaults, simply click the Nvidia logo at the top, which provides an option to restore current profile to Nvidia default. Finally, don't forget to reselect the Fortnite profile and apply the changes one last time. Following these steps should significantly improve your gaming performance. So guys, in the next step, you need to download LAGOFAST on your PC to boost your FPS and lower your ping in Fortnite and 1,000+ other games. Simply download and install LAGOFAST. The link is available in the video description. After installing this tool, you will see the interface of LAGOFAST. In the very first step, log into your account using your email address to access and use this tool on your PC. On the left side, you will find an option to optimize your PC or console for getting easy lobbies and boosting your FPS in any game. Go to the Home tab, where you will find all the installed apps and games on your PC. If you go to the PC tab, you will see all the games available on your PC. Use the search bar to find your favorite game. For this tutorial, we want to optimize Fortnite, so search for it and click on the Boost button. This will optimize your ping and help you boost FPS. LAGOFAST is currently one of the best software available in the market to optimize your ping and PC performance simultaneously with just a single click. Once you start the process, you can check the status. For example, your PC connects to the LAGOFAST server, and the LAGOFAST server connects to the Bahrain server. The ping between LAGOFAST and the Bahrain server is less than 1 millisecond, ensuring a smooth connection. This software optimizes the network path for better performance. Now, once you have boosted your favorite game, you are ready to enjoy improved gameplay with lower ping and better FPS. So guys, that was today's video. Hit the like button, make sure to subscribe. Peace out.